Your internet service provider logs every website you visit. Google tracks your location 24 hours a day, even when location is turned off. And that incognito mode you're using right now, it does almost nothing. In this video, I'm going to show you every real method hackers, journalists, whistleblowers, and anyone who actually values privacy uses to go invisible online, from beginner to expert level. And I'll tell you up front, stay until method 4, because that one has a myth that 99% of people get completely wrong. Method 1, Tor Browser, and this is where we start with the real stuff. Tor, the onion router, was originally built by the US Navy, yes, the military, because they needed a way to communicate without being traced. Today, it's open source, free, and used by journalists, activists, and security researchers all over the world. Here's how it works. Your traffic doesn't go directly to the website. It bounces through 3 separate servers called nodes in 3 different countries. Each node only knows the one before and the one after. Nobody gets the full picture. This is how whistleblowers like Edward Snowden communicated with journalists. This is how reporters in authoritarian countries publish the truth without ending up in jail. Limitations? Yes, it's slow because of those 3 hops, and some websites block Tor exit nodes. It's not for streaming Netflix. It's for when you need real anonymity, not convenience. Drop a comment. Have you ever used Tor? Yes or no? Method 2, VPN, the truth. VPNs, and here's where most people are completely wrong. 99% of people think, I have a VPN, I'm anonymous. Wrong. A VPN hides your traffic from your internet service provider. Yes, it changes your visible IP address, yes, but here's what it doesn't do. Your VPN provider can still see everything, every website, every search, every click. You've just moved your trust from your ISP to your VPN company. If that VPN company gets a court order, or if they straight up lie about their no logs policy, you're exposed. In 2023, multiple no logs VPN providers were proven to have handed user data to law enforcement. The logs they said didn't exist, they existed. So what's a VPN actually good for? Hiding from your ISP, bypassing geo restrictions, basic privacy on public Wi-Fi. What it's not is anonymity. If you need real anonymity, a VPN alone is not enough. The combination that actually works, I'll tell you in method 5. Method 3, private DNS and browser hardening. This one takes you literally 4 minutes to set up, and most people have never heard of it. Every time you type a website address, your device asks a DNS server, like a phone book, to look up where that site lives. By default, that DNS server is run by your ISP. They log every lookup, every site you've ever visited. Fix it in 60 seconds. Change your DNS to Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. It's encrypted, it's faster, and Cloudflare does not log your queries. Go to your network settings right now and change it. Browser, ditch Chrome for Firefox. Add 3 extensions. uBlock Origin for ads, Privacy Badger for trackers, and Canvas Blocker to stop browser fingerprinting. Fingerprinting is how companies identify you even when you clear cookies. They build a unique profile from your screen resolution, fonts, and device settings. Canvas Blocker randomizes that. Cost? 0 rupees. Time? 5 minutes. Protection gained? Massive. Method 4, burner accounts and disposable emails. This is the one I told you to wait for, the myth everyone believes. People think anonymity is about hiding your IP. It's not. It's about not linking your real identity to your activity. An IP address is just one thread. Your accounts are the whole sweater. Think about it. You can have Tor, a VPN, everything, but if you log into your real Gmail account inside that anonymous session, you just told Google exactly who you are. Game over. The FBI has caught hundreds of criminals this way, not by breaking encryption, by waiting for them to log into a real account once. Burner strategy. Use tempmail.org for any registration you don't want linked to you. Create a separate browser profile or a whole separate browser for sensitive activity. Never cross-contaminate. One identity stays in one browser, always. This is called compartmentalization. It's what intelligence agencies teach their operatives, and it's free.
Method 5, Tails OS. And this is where we separate the beginners from the people who actually understand privacy. Tails is a whole operating system that runs from a USB drive. Plug it into any computer, boot from it, and here's what happens. Nothing is saved to that computer. No history, no files, no traces. The moment you remove the USB, it's like you were never there. Tails routes all traffic, not just your browser, through Tor automatically. So even if malware somehow got onto that session, it has nowhere to send data. The OS itself is amnesic. That's the technical term, amnesic. It literally forgets. This is the combination I promised earlier. Tails plus Tor is the gold standard of anonymous browsing. This is what Snowden recommended journalists use when communicating with him. Download Tails for free at tails.boom.org. All you need is an 8 GB USB drive. Method 6, OPSEC, Operational Security. The final method, and the one that makes or breaks everything else. OPSEC, Operational Security. All the tools in the world mean nothing if your behavior gives you away. Here are the 3 OPSEC mistakes that get people caught even when their tech is perfect. 1. Bragging. The biggest threat to your anonymity is your own mouth, online and offline. 2. Timing patterns. If you only post anonymously between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. every weeknight, that pattern itself is a fingerprint. 3. Writing style. Researchers at Drexel University matched anonymous forum posts to real identities with 80% accuracy using writing style alone. Word choice, sentence length, punctuation habits, all unique to you. The tools protect your IP. OPSEC protects your identity. You need both. So, to summarize, real anonymity is layers. Tor for routing, VPN for ISP privacy, DNS and browser hardening for tracking, burner accounts for identity separation, Tails OS when you need the full setup, and OPSEC always, because tools without discipline are useless.